Nominalization in academic writing, mastering conciseness and clarity. Hello language learners. Welcome back to another enriching video in our series on advanced academic vocabulary. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating area of academic writing, nominalization, and specifically focus on how it contributes to the conciseness and clarity of your written content. Let's dive in. Before we get into its advantages, let's briefly revisit what nominalization is. Nominalization is a linguistic process by which verbs, adjectives, or adverbs are transformed into nouns. For instance, decide becomes decision, and analyze becomes analysis. This technique is commonly used in academic writing, allowing authors to present information in a compact, abstract manner. So, why is nominalization useful? One significant advantage is conciseness. By converting a phrase or a clause into a noun, we can often reduce the length of sentences and present the information more compactly. Let's consider an example. Without nominalization, the scientists conducted an analysis of the data. With nominalization, the scientists' analysis of the data, as you can see, the nominalized version presents the same idea with fewer words, making it more concise. While conciseness is a key aspect of academic writing, it shouldn't come at the cost of clarity. That's where nominalization shows its true power. By shifting the focus from actions, verbs, to entities or concepts, nouns, nominalization can highlight the important parts of your sentence, thus enhancing clarity. Here's an example to illustrate this. Without nominalization, they will make a decision tomorrow. With nominalization, their decision will be made tomorrow. In the nominalized version, the focus shifts from the action of deciding to the decision itself, making it clearer and more direct. However, it's important to strike a balance. While nominalization can make your writing concise and clear, overuse may lead to dense and difficult-to-read sentences. Always aim for a balance between simplicity and complexity, maintaining both conciseness and clarity in your writing. And that's a wrap for today's topic. We hope this video helped you understand the role of nominalization in achieving conciseness and clarity in academic writing. Remember, like all tools in the language toolbox, nominalization is most effective when used judiciously. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of academic vocabulary. Happy learning!